Distinguished viewers across Ghana, Africa, and the international community, esteemed officers of the Ghana Police Service, members of the Police Council, and most importantly, the Inspector General of Police, the highest ranking officer entrusted with the safety, discipline, and direction of policing in our beloved nation. Today's message is delivered with deep respect, national pride, and a shared commitment to security. This is a national appeal, not political, not commercial, but patriotic. A message centered on supporting the Ghana Police Service with Made-in-Ghana solutions, specifically Kantanka automobiles. Mr. Inspector General of Police, the demands on modern policing have changed. It requires faster response, rougher terrains, expanding communities, increased security expectations. To meet these demands, the police need reliable vehicles, durable engineering, cost-effective maintenance, and local technical support. This is where Kantanka Automobile becomes not just an option, but a strategic national partner. Mr. IGP, allow us to begin with the Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV. This vehicle is well suited for the Inspector General of Police, the Deputy Inspector General of Police, and members of the Police Council. Speaking of its performance and engineering, Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV comes with a 2.0 TGDI turbocharged engine, an 8-speed automatic transmission, approximately 380 to 385 Newton meters of torque, 210 kilometers per hour of max speed, and an Euro VI emission standard. This is power with control, essential for command level mobility. Let's talk about its safety and security features. Onantefo 7-seater SUV comes with an ultra high strength body frame, ABS and EBD braking, electronic stability program, traction control system, hill start assist, and a 360-degree surround camera. Why the Onantefo is actually good for the Inspector General of Police? It is actually great because it is ideal for official duties, suitable for high-level security movements. It reflects authority, discipline, and national pride. It is proudly made in Ghana and also serviced in Ghana. Mr. IGP, leadership deserves a vehicle that commands respect. The Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV does exactly that. Mr. Inspector General, if there is one vehicle the Ghana Police Service needs it in numbers, it is the Kantanka Omama pickup truck. Why the Omama is critical? Policing happens on highways, in communities, in rural areas, on rough roads, and also during emergencies. The Omama is built for real Ghanaian terrain. Regarding its capability and strength, Omama has a high ground clearance, strong suspension system, heavy-duty chassis, reliable engine suited for long patrol hours. Mr. IGP, this is important. Seats can actually be fabricated in the bucket to safely carry more police officers during patrol operations, crowd control, and of course, rapid response missions. This makes the Omama cost-effective, flexible, and operationally efficient. It is also ideal for district patrol units, highway patrols, community policing, and rapid deployment teams. This is our humble and practical recommendation. Next, Mr. Inspector General of Police, is the Kantanka Obrempong pickup truck. The Obrempong is not just a pickup, it is a commanding force. It has a dual purpose use including security patrols and also daily duties of high-ranking police officers. Speaking of its strength and design, the Obrempong pickup truck is rugged built, strong load-bearing capacity, stable handling on rough terrain, and bold with authoritative appearance. Mr. IGP, the Obrempong is suitable for regional commanders, divisional commanders, and special operations leadership. It balances authority, utility, and visibility. Finally, Mr. Inspector General, we humbly present the Kantanka K71 PRO SUV. This vehicle may not be for operations. We are not saying it can't be, but may not be for operations, but it is powerful for motivation and morale. The Kantanka K71 PRO matters because it is comfortable, it is modern, it is safe, it is reliable, and can be used as a reward system. Our humble opinion. Mr. IGP, the K71 PRO can be used as a reward vehicle for outstanding officers, long-serving personnel, exceptional bravery, and exemplary leadership. Rewarding service builds loyalty, morale, and professional pride. Mr. Inspector General, Kantanka Automobile is not new to the Ghana Police Service. Over the years, Kantanka has supported national institutions, including the Ghana Police Service. Kantanka has donated vehicles in the past. Kantanka has consistently aligned with national development. This message is therefore not a first introduction, but a renewed presentation of a growing fleet. Today, Kantanka has more advanced models, improved engineering, and expanded capacity, and also greater readiness to support national security. Mr. IGP, why is Kantanka for Ghana policing? Kantanka is a locally manufactured or a locally assembled vehicle. It has a faster maintenance, reduced foreign exchange pressure, it creates job, and also it comes with national pride. When the police move in Made-in-Ghana vehicle, the nation moves with confidence. Mr. Inspector General of Police, members of the Police Council, we respectfully invite the Ghana Police Service to review the Kantanka fleet, consider local procurement, deepen an already existing leadership. To reach Kantanka, kindly call us on 0242 0242 037 429 or 054 746 2581. To anybody watching us, including the Ghana Police Service, with all humility and the greatest of respect, please subscribe to Kwejo Safo Studios and support Kantanka Automobile. Hit the notification bell and get notified of every YouTube upload. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Share, and most importantly, like this video for the algorithm to push it for more people to watch this. Remember, this is not just any car, it is our car.